Okay, we have 4 regular marshmallows that we got from that bag. Regular marshmallows. Steven, James, and me, Matt.
It's actually Jessy, but
Jessy.
That's his last name, James.
Yeah. James, whatever. I'll give up to this. Okay, so we're putting it in the microwave. Okay. Watch how they expand. So.
Oh, two fell down.
Guys, that's very dangerous.
What?
What you doing?
What are we doing?
No, seriously, you're never supposed to look in a microwave.
It's okay.
The radiation is worse.
Okay, well, let's not look at all.
Seriously, it's not good. Okay, I think we should take them out.
Okay.
Holy
That's how big they got.